Let's crochet this beautiful wedge sandals. Please don't skip any part of this video if you really want to get these sandals exactly the way you are saying it. So here is the sole. I've already taken my measurements, but I will explain all I did here as in how I got the measurement. So I'm working on size 42. This is size 42. But before I start, I'm Rachael Chidimma Crochet. I share tutorials and tips on crochet. So today we'll be working on this particular one. So I'll be starting from here, then end it here. Then this other one is the back design. So let's go. I'll be using 4 strands of fishing thread. We call it here twine thread. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Make your knot. So I'll be starting from here. You work 22 chains. Keep working till you work 22 chains. That's it. So you fix by slip knitting on the opposite side. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So here is the chain. To start the first row, we are going to skip first 2 stitches on the sew. Maintain working on the 22 chains you have. Once you get to this point, you work on the first 2 stitches on the sew, turn and skip 1 stitch. So keep working like that. At the end of each row, you crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew, turn and skip 1 chain. Continue working with that till you work 7 rows. 7 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it here. I didn't show this because I have done it in most of my videos, so you can still visit my channel to check some of my old videos. I've already done it, so to avoid wasting your time, I didn't show it again. So I will concentrate on this pattern that has openings. So let's go. We are going to skip the first stitch on the sew, then crochet on the next stitch, single crochet. Then after that, you make 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then skip 3 stitches, crochet on the next stitch. So here we're going to crochet on the next 3 stitches, single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. You can see it. Then after that, you make another 3 chains. Then count out 3 stitches. 2, 3. Then work on the next 3 stitches, single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. So you make another 3 chains. You can see them here. So you keep working that till you get to this point. That's it. So at the end, I crocheted on the first and second stitch of the sew. Then you turn, skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next stitch. So I'll be crocheting on this hole, this particular place. So you're going to crochet 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. That's it. Then you crochet on the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then you crochet 3 single crochets here. 2 and 3. Then single crochet on the next 3 stitches. 2 and the 3 stitches. So keep working that. That's it. So you keep working that till you get to the end. So here is it. So here you work on 5 stitches before you start making chain. You work on 5 stitches, you make 3 chains. Then you work on 3 stitches, make 3 chain until you end it here. Then here you make another 5 stitches here before finishing it. So you can see I created 3 rows of this open pattern, then finish it up with 2 rows of single crochet. Then this short belt here with open pattern, this one now, I started by working single crochet on 7 stitches, make 2 rows, then create the open pattern, finish up with 2 rows. Then on the last row, that is where I started creating the back belt. So I make 22 chains on the back belt. But before that, I first work on this side by creating 16 stitches on the sole, make 2 rows, then start creating the open patterns. You can see the open patterns is, I have 2 rows of it here. Then start fixing your back belt. Remember, the back belt started from the other side, the small belt I created on the opposite side, then fix to this other side. Then you work 5 rows of single crochet. Then on the 5th row, you create the front design and the front belt by working 40 chains. Then after that, you make 5 rows of single crochet. That is the final rows. And here is the finished product. So if you really love this video, please do wait to subscribe and also share. Share so that YouTube will recommend me to more audience. Thank you. See you on my next video.